In a world where digital skills define success, Edchart is proud to announce a game-changing opportunity for developers, IT professionals, and tech job seekers across the globe. Introducing our globally recognized full-stack certification, now accessible online through our revolutionary pay-after-you-pass model. Choose your path from our top full-stack certifications: Python Full-Stack Certification, MERN Stack Certification, MERN Stack Certification, Java Full-Stack Certification, .NET Full-Stack Certification. We're proudly backed by Credly, the world's leading digital credentialing platform. Your certification comes with a globally trusted badge to boost your career profile. Get recognized by top employers. Boost your credibility. Whether you're switching careers or leveling up, Edchart empowers your future. It's time to prove your skills. Join thousands of certified professionals and start your certification journey today at www.chart.com.